All right, what's up, everybody? Another beautiful day here in Las Vegas. Got something very special for you. We got some breaking news. Got a new townhome community. And this townhome community is actually called Town at Union Village. And I think they have about, 88 lots. Now, these are townhomes. I'm going to break it down for you just real quick, but just want to kind of show you the area here, what's going on. So this is the Henderson Hospital. This was recently built a couple years ago, I think less than 2 years. And Gibson Road is just right here. Now, Gibson runs from like east to west. And within probably like 3 minutes, you're gonna hit the 515 that takes you out to Boulder. But just right across the street, we actually have Galleria Mall. And right down here, we actually have the water park, which is kind of cool. I don't know the name of the water park, but you guys see it right there. But anyway, I'm gonna walk back into the community. Temperatures about 100 degrees today here in Las Vegas. But the reason why I wanted to show you this is because they broke ground here probably about, I think, 8-9 months ago. But now they do have some structures up and ready to go. And Century Communities, they are about to release some lots. So I actually have their inventory list. Now, I really want to show you what's going on here. So, first and foremost is this community right here, okay? It is not gated, as you can see. They're gonna start to build going down this way here. And it just kind of like loops all around. And the garage is in the back. So all the front doors are gonna be facing each other. These guys right here, looks like they are just leveling out the pop-outs. Now there's another exit that way. So this kind of just makes like a full circle, but I'm gonna take you guys, walk around, let's get some sun. Kind of enjoy the weather today. There should be a little park right here as well. I'm gonna watch out for this guy so I don't get hit. But as you can see, these guys right here are dropping the front of the garage. I used to do this for a living right here. Framework. That's all piecework right there. All right, let me get my cheat sheet out. So they're saying that this is great pricing that they have, low interest rates as well. These are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Great amenities. You have a park, a trail, a dog park, and you do have like Costco's and the mall and all that stuff nearby. So it is remotely close to everything, literally walking distance. Right here we got Boulder. Here's all your additional ample parking. But like I said, it just kind of like just goes around just like that, right? Let me flip this over. Give you a little insight information. Give me a second here. So they have 3 different floor plans, okay? So we have the 1405 model, and there are 3 different elevations. You have the Spanish Mission style, you have the Desert Contemporary, and then also we have the Tuscan. But I think I like the Desert Contemporary better. Flight path right here. Keep that in mind. The 1417, it is a 2-story, option 2 or 3. bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage as well. Again, elevation style, the Spanish Mission, Desert Contemporary, and also the Tuscan. Then we have the 1479 model, which is a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, Spanish Mission style, Desert Contemporary, and Tuscany. We have a total of 87 lots available for sale. Now, tomorrow is actually the grand opening, so if you guys do come out here, talk to Sheila. She's a salesperson for this community. Make sure to drop my name as your referring agent. Look at this. All the lumber is all packaged and ready to go. It's crazy. Look at all these A-frames. These are all done by third-party companies right here. We'll probably go walk the models. I'm not going to do a full video tour, but I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like in the inside. Now, with this one right here, okay, you won't be able to go in and start speccing out your home. Now, they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 should all be ready to go in December. So it's gonna be these right here, okay? So, and I talked about this multiple times. If you're gonna buy for investment purposes, because you're doing a buy and hold strategy, you would buy now, let the community get fully built out, then go ahead and then sell it. So let's say if you got into it now, you probably rent it out for a year, wait till completion, throw it in the market, make a couple dollars. Now, HOAs are $134 a month. Now, you may say that's pretty high, but there's only 87 units here. So that's a good price, because typically HOAs are about $200 a month. This one is not gated, obviously, and it doesn't have a pool. But I'm going to take you guys inside the showroom floor real quick and just kind of show you the different selections of options. Now, it's basically like a combo pack, so it's not like you get to pick your own countertops and stuff like that, okay? And your flooring. So what you see is what you get. So let me just kind of flip this thing around. Whew. All right, so here's the sales office here. And this just kind of gives you an idea of the different combo packs that you can get, which is pretty cool. So let me just kind of show an example here. So this would be your tile flooring, carpet, then we have our cabinets, then our countertops, backsplash is pretty cool. Here's another sample. So I think there's what, total 8 samples, right? Yes. So you have a total of 8 of them here. So here's basically your finishes. So you have an option, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you like the more, white shaker cabinets, but this color. So this is kind of like their combo pack here. Then you have another one here. So it's all different options. Whew. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys into models real quick so that way you guys have a general idea of what it looks like. So like I said, the front door is gonna be back here, garage out in the back. That's the AC unit for the sales office. Now the windows, I noticed that they're using Alpine, so you're not gonna get like your top of the line everything, right? But they are using a Carrier air conditioning unit, which is actually a really good unit. So this is the 1478. All right. So it's not bad. And the good news is that you pretty much get all this, what you see here, other than like the curtains and couches and all that stuff. Okay, let's move on to the next one before I get demonetized. So they have all three models here. So this is the 1405. Let's go check this out. Huh. Definitely like the 1405 better. It's a little open, right? It feels a little bit more open. Not bad. Let me know what you guys think so far. Definitely like this one. And we got one more we're gonna go check out. Let's see what's going on here. So this is the 1479 end cap. Oh, I can tell you right now, this is a way better layout. Like it. Now, if you guys want me to do the video home tours on here, I will. I don't care too much to do a video home tour in here because you don't get that much views, but obviously this channel is more for like informational purposes and really to help you as a consumer. So if you really want it, I will do it for you guys, okay? Let me just kind of put this down here for just a second. Whew, because it is pretty hot. Okay. So they've got 3 buildings to be completed in December. So it looks like the lowest price point that they have on this one is a 1405, and it literally is at $399,000. And it looks like you're going to get 42 upper cabinets, and then you're going to get the 2-tone paint, and it comes with the electrical package and the 13 by 13 tile and carpet, and then the dual plus suite, okay? And that will be delivered in December. This one you're going to get the white cabinets too as well. The most expensive one right now that I see on this sheet here, and matter of fact, if you guys want this sheet, let me know. The most expensive one is $418,490, and that is the 1479 model. And the 1479 model, it comes with 42 upper cabinets, 2-tone paint, full electrical package, and the 8 by 36 tile flooring on the downstairs. Then you get the white cabinets, which is what everybody likes. So I guess it's not bad of a price point. It's just a matter of you like the floor plan. But I don't know, guys. That is pretty much it for this vlog. Hopefully you guys appreciate it. And if you have not had a chance to like subscribe to the channel, not too sure what you're waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. And if you're looking to purchase a home out here in Vegas, I mean, please let me know, because I would like to earn your business. There's so many things out there that I'm trying to look to accomplish, and I need your help. All right, guys, other than that, be blessed and have a great day. Peace.